Dance, dance, dance. What's this? 10 tour tayo. Hooray! We're gonna have a fantastic new year! Yeah, yeah! Say hello, everyone! Yes, yes! Yeah! Mwah! Sleepy time now for JJ! JJ, sleepy time for you! You don't have to go on the floor. Okay, sayaw-sayaw now, sayaw. Dancing time. Mira, sayaw, Mira. Sayaw, JJ. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Ate, shall we open your gifts? This parcel now. Shall we open it? We'll open the parcel from H&M now. Come, sit down, sit down. Udah lang pisngi ko nagluluto ka kasi. What's up? Okay, good evening, guys. Let's open the box now from H&M. Ito yan. Look! What's this? Oh, wow! Look at it, it's your boots.
It's my boots.
Yes.
It's Mira's.
It's Mira's.
Is it for me?
Yes, it's for you.
JJ.
Oh, that's JJ. JJ. Yeah, they don't have something for JJ. Yeah, it's okay. It's that book anyway.
Is that for me?
Perfect for winter, guys. Nag-ano to sila, nag-sale sila nito, kaya
Is that for me?
binili ko yan. Wala rin kasing proper na si Mira. Winter shoes.
Oh, this one. And also my this one too.
It's for you, ate. 6 to 7 years
And
old.
this for me.
For 6 to 7 years old, nakangkat kasi yung legs ni Mira at malaki yung puwet niya, kaya perfect ang size na to. Kasi yung size niya, guys, hindi makasya. Advanced size yung ano ni Mira. JJ, just keep it, darling son. Do you want to look at yourself? Hello? Hello? Gusto niya makita yung sarili niya kasi kaya niya yung camera. Okay, look, ate, yung here's well, ate, yung look, what's that? Is that a cat or a bunny?
It's cat though.
It's a cat.
Yeah.
And then, got yellow here as well.
And we've got this.
Get this one, guys.
And we've got a girl.
Oh, little girl, yes.
And we've got this one.
And this one is for JJ.
We've got a boy.
JJ's pajamas. Sa'yo na si JJ.
It's got a boy.
Mga ano, ito mga robots. Mga robot pala ang ganito, guys. Friend. Upang 2 to 4 yung 4. And we've got another one for you as well, ate. Ito ay 5 to 6. Pero iba-iba yung size. My shoes, and I've got JJ's socks. I think it's JJ ito. Yeah, I think it's for JJ. Ah, it's for Ate Mira. Hold on, what's this? Oh yeah, it's for JJ. Okay. Ano to? Wala, parang mali ang pagkakuha ng socks ko ba? Kasi yung shoe ni JJ is ano? 5. What size? Ah, okay, that's fine. Kasi he's wearing size 6, 7, 6 and 7 size na yung sapatos ni JJ. Yung boots niya, size 7. Medyo ano yun, medyo maluwang ba? Perfect lang yun. Kasi pagsutan mo ng ano, medyas. Okay na. Ito yung binili kong ano, guys, bowl. Oy, JJ! Ate wants to wear.
My boots.
It's not the color. I thought it's white. It's not white, guys. So I have to return this.
About me. I want to wear my boots.
Oh, It's not the one that I ordered. I ordered white color, not this one.
What's the matter, Mommy?
I ordered, ano ba to? Six pieces. Yeah, this is wrong, ate. This is wrong. Yeah. Mommy and Daddy like white ones, not this one. So we have to return this.
Can I wear my boots?
Do you want to wear that?
Yes, I will wear my boots.
Your boots. JJ! Put it back here! JJ, what are you doing? Yeah, we have to return it, guys. Mali.
They all the same. Oh, she can't be dead. I'm stronger.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I like.
Okay, can you jump? Do you like it?
Yes.
Come here, come back here.
Yes.
Okay. Do you like it, ate?
Yes. Look at.
You don't have to race it.
Boats. Cheese.
Are you gonna sing for them? Are you gonna sing?
Birthday to you.
Whose birthday, ate?
Mira's birthday.
Not today. After a few sleeps. Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Not your birthday yet.
Yeah, so that one. It's just different color.
What color is that? Is that gray?
That looks like gray. If they want, then you can go in. I'll stay out with the kids or something. Then
Yeah.
you can come back. Yeah, and just have a look.
How much is that?
225. It's 160 plus 65. Yeah, see, 160, 65. So that's 225.
Is it like a
Touch it to see.
Ay nako mga my loves, kaya pala umiyak si JJ kasi nahulog 2 beses. Sa first landing sa taas. And then sa sa danan. And sa bed ni Mira. Malikot kasi. Kaya ganun. Okay, let's read stories now. Okay, JJ boy. Where's your book, JJ? Get your book. Dito namin nilagay yung tent ni Mira at ni JJ. Kasi doon sa baba, medyo maano na kasi doon. Marami ng sigurete. Hello. Let's get your book, JJ. Get your book. Here, go and get your book. Choose your book there. Choose your book. Yes, choose your book. You're getting your book, JJ. Do you want me to read your story, JJ? JJ, are you gonna find me? JJ, are you gonna find me? Ah. Peekaboo. Come on, let's take them here. Welcome to our spaceship. Ayun oh. Nandito tayo sa guys. Nandito tayo sa hindi. Outer space. Ang daming stars. Yes, what's that? What is that, JJ? Stars. Wow. 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 Yeah. Wow. Wow. JJ, where are the stars? Stars. Yeah. There. There. Very good. There, stars. Another stars. Yeah. Stars. Very good. There. Where's the Saturn? Where is the planet Saturn? There. Yeah. And where's the other spaceship? Look! Look!
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Hindi ko tinanap ko. Yeah. Look, sis.
Yeah.
Yeah, stars. Hindi mapakali. Hindi mapakali si JJ, guys. Si Mira kita si Daddy. Binihisa ni Daddy si Mira. They're ready for bedtime. Tent tour tayo, guys. tent tour. So, ito yung tent namin. Ayan. Spaceship. Nasa loob, kunwari nasa loob tayo ng ano, guys. Spacecraft, ayan. Okay. Naintindihan nyo yun? Yes! Oh. Agoy, JJ. Yeah. So, dito tayo sa loob ng spaceship natin. Meron tayong mga astronaut na kasama dyan, oh, astronaut. Nasa labas. Nasa labas, nakatingin sa bintana. Yan, bintana. Yes. Kiss, mommy? Yeah. Ah. You gonna sleep now, JJ? Mama. Tired na si baby namin. Oh, walang beses ka nahulog. Huwag ka na, JJ. Look at mommy, JJ. JJ, do not go out. When the gate is open, do not go out. Nakalimutan, hindi kasi naman ng daddy na open yung gate ng gate, stair gate dito. Buti na lang, dun lang nahulog sa first landing. Hindi doon sa pinakamahabang Guess who's here?
That's me in the tent. That's really close.
Gusto na Mira mag-wear ng boots niya. Ate, get your books na. Get your books na. Let's read stories here. Only two, please. Ate, because it's very late. Agoy. Ate, only two, please. Ate. Agoy. JJ, do not break our tent, JJ. Yeah. Oh, excuse you. Okay, let's read the story. It's about Elmer's Christmas. It's about elephant, is it?
We have Santa.
Elmer's Christmas. Elmer, the patchwork elephant. Here is Elmer, guys. There, the patchwork elephant.
This one, that's
What I should do, said Keeper, but he wasn't very good. He could only wobble. Some wrens had made a nest inside a flower pot. It looked very cozy. I should sleep in one of those, said Keeper, but Keeper would not fit inside a flower pot. He was much too big. The squirrels, JJ, where are you? The squirrels had made their nest out of sticks. I will build myself a stick nest, said Keeper, but Keeper's nest wasn't that very good. He could only find 3 sticks. The sheep looks very happy, just sitting in the grass. May mga langga. Super sleepy na talaga. Ako'y pagod. Tulog na yung mga bata, pati si Daddy K. So ngayon is maglilipit muna ako dito sa kusina. I-empty yung dishwasher. Ilagay yung mga ano, tingnan niyo. Ang daming kalat. So, linisin ko muna ito and then matutulog na ako. If meron pa akong energy. Kasi fellowship namin tonight. I really have to push myself na maka-join kahit saglit lang. And so yes, I'm gonna end this vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all keeping great and well and safe. God bless everyone. Bye bye. See you again in my next vlog. Bye.